Today, we're working on one of the most important aspects of boxing, head movement, defense, and counterattacking. This drill simulates real in-ring action, where you're constantly dodging punches while looking for openings to strike back. Here, we have a hanging brawl, swinging like an opponent's punch. My boxer is using his head movement to slip off the vertical line, making sure he's never stationary target. He's also working on rolling underhooks, coming off the horizontal line as if he's dodging an opponent's left or right hook. Staying mobile, staying unpredictable. But defense is only half of the equation. As soon as he defends the shot, he counters by attacking me. This counterattack drill is about reacting fast, slip, roll, and then fire back, just like Mike Tyson in his prime. It's about defending while staying in position to counter immediately. Whilst you're boxing, you're not just defending, you're setting up your own shots. Here, we're working turning defense into offense instantly. Notice how he keeps his eyes on me the whole time, even whilst moving his head and rolling. This is crucial. Never lose sight of your opponent. You want to be able to defend, react, and counter without hesitation. By using this drill, we're building automatic reflexes, getting him used to defending punches while also teaching him how to counter effectively. This is the kind of drill that fighters like Mike Tyson mastered early in their careers, making them a lethal weapon inside the ring. Slip, roll, counter. That's all about timing and precision. That's what that's what makes a great fighter. Stay tuned for more tutorials on head movement, defense, and counter-attack techniques. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok for more tips and training insights. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out Regal Boxing Gym training playlist for more great drills and training methods. That's